Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at splitting your database. Firstly, let's look at what is splitting and why would you do it. Splitting divides your database into two parts. The front end, which has all the commands or working parts of the database, like queries, forms, reports and macros. And the back end, which just contains data in tables. So why should you split your database? One of the main reasons, it allows multiple users to access the system at one time. It also makes the database run more efficiently and therefore quicker. It's easier to maintain and update, and it reduces corruption. It's also more secure. Before you get started, make sure you've made a backup of the file, just in case something goes wrong. First, you'll need to choose a suitable location on your network where all your users have access. Let's copy the file here. You will then need to open the file in edit mode. You do this by holding the Shift key down and double-clicking the file. Holding the Shift key down again, click on Enable Content. You'll notice that all your tables are currently listed here. To split the database, click on Database Tools. You'll notice if you hover over this button, it says split the database into two files, one containing the tables and one containing queries and forms. This window informs you a little bit more about splitting the database and tells you that the wizard will move your tables from your current database to a new back-end database. Click here to split the database. Now choose where you want your back-end to be created. Then click on Split. You'll then get a pop-up telling you your database has been successfully split. Tables have now been replaced by shortcuts to the back-end database. Your database has now been split into two files, your front end and your back end. You can see if we open up the back end that all it holds are the tables. You can now easily make multiple copies of the front end to share across your network. Simply copy the front end to all the computers on the network that you want to have access to the system. All inputs you make on any front end will occur on the back end and therefore be updated across the network instantly. You can contact me on this email address if you have any questions.